Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding the power button. Ignore the assistant when it shows up. And from here, we're going to select power off twice. This will turn off the device. Now, even though you feel a vibration right away, I recommend giving it solid like 5 to 10 seconds after the screen turns black, just to be certain that the phone is off. As if you start holding the buttons a little bit too early, nothing will happen. So from there, we're going to hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the HUAWEI logo, you're going to let go of the power button. There we go. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here, we have only a couple options. We can put the device into safe mode, we can enter the update mode, or under clear data, we can wipe cache partition or factory reset the device. And the first option is just a way of leaving this mode. So I'm going to select that right now. And this will bring me back to the OS. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.